What's going on, guys? It's Sean Chenard here with you on the first Crypto Masterminds training video. And in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the resources that you can use on our team, okay? Because in crypto, being resourceful is extremely important. And I want you guys to get connected in the best possible way with your community, in the crypto space, with your mentors, and with your team, okay? So a few things that I want to show you guys to help you get a little bit more connected. The first thing, obviously, is our chat group. Okay, so making sure that you're in the chat group, you're active in the chat group, you're asking a lot of questions, getting to know everybody on the team. You can reach out to me, a few other leaders on the team that can help you get your account set up, help you with marketing, recruiting. All right, so making sure that you're active within the group is extremely important. All right, and then the second group, which I've added many of you to that are interested in altcoins, it's entirely up to you if you want to trade altcoins or be involved with those, but it's called the Crypto Mob right here. So this group is a very powerful group that you can be involved in that teaches a lot about the different altcoins and about ICOs and various different crypto opportunities that are available. So a lot of trusted people in this group that I, look at for information. So, something to keep in mind. A lot of great info on different coins and stuff in here. If you guys want to be added, feel free to ask me. I can help you out. Tons of information on coins, you guys. Is a great resource for you. All right, so that's the second resource. Obviously, the third resource would be this training, okay? And this training is going to outline a lot of different things you guys need to know about the space and how to be successful, all right? So, you have those three main resources, but I'm going to show you another one, which is very, very important, and that is called CoinMarketCap, and I am on my phone, so forgive me, you guys, if you guys are using a laptop. It's very similar, though. This is coinmarketcap.com. This is where you're going to obtain information about different cryptocurrencies. And this is a huge resource in terms of learning if it's a good coin, learning the supply, learning the price, the change, the market cap. All right, and you can see all that stuff is outlined here. So I'm going to show you guys, like Bitcoin, for instance. Right now it's at 14,818 with 2.70% positive change. All right, $248.87 billion market cap. It's got 16.79 million coins as a supply. All right, and the volume running through it is 18.31 billion, which is a great volume, okay? So, these are things to look at in terms of how good a coin is, okay? Obviously, because of the price point, Bitcoin is number one, all right? It's the highest valued. It's got the largest market cap, all right? And it's got arguably, I think it has, yes, obviously the most volume going through it. So definitely something to consider with a coin, okay? Because the more volume a coin has going through it, the more liquid that coin is, which means that if you invest, you can sell the coin and get your profit right away. If the coin isn't liquid, let's say it has an extremely low volume, and you go to try and sell it, you might not get your sell order filled and the price changes and you can actually lose money. So you want to be very careful with that. And if you follow our signals and the coins that we're in, they're all liquid coins. They're all safe to trade, okay? The supply is also a huge factor. If you guys know about supply and demand in economics, the higher supply tends to lead to a cheaper price. All right, the more that are out there, the lower the price point's going to be. It's not as in demand, which means the price won't increase as much, which means that your gains may not be that much unless it's a coin that is very desirable. Like ADA, for instance, has a huge supply, but it also has great gains. So definitely something to look at. Another would be Ripple. All right, lots of supply. Click on that real quick. So you can see the supply, is pretty high. I don't know why it went to this page, but Okay. So another factor to look at, definitely. I try to have it, at a reasonable supply. Like, one coin that I'm in that has a reasonable supply, I think is a great example would be Power Ledger. Power Ledger has a reasonable supply, 1 billion. It's kind of on the higher side, but it's reasonable because the platform is being used and it's in demand. And what they're doing is very innovative. So people are going to definitely be pumping money into this coin. This is a very, very lucrative coin. I highly recommend it. It's partially why I'm using it as an example. Circulating supply. So how many coins are actually out in the market? All right. How many are actually going through the market? And you want to compare these two figures. How many are circulating in the total supply? You can think of like US dollars, right? Like, when they put US dollars into circulation and the cause of inflation, right? Like if there's too much currency out there, prices are going to be really inflated and it causes a lot of problems. But if there's a healthy balance between supply and total supply, circulating and total supply, there's room for growth there. And you're also going to want to look at the market cap. Now, the market cap for Power Ledger is very good. 523 million, right? That's very good. 35,000 Bitcoin. All right, but you want to look at the volume because is it a liquid coin? And yes, this is a very liquid coin. 42 million going through it. 2.9K Bitcoin going through it. So very liquid coin. It's moving. So these are different factors that you guys need to look at. Price action, price change. All right. What's going on with the price of this coin? Today it's down 8.72%. We're going through a little bit of a bearish phase here in the market, which means that the market's going down. Bullish means the market's going up. It's at $1.45. But you can also take a look at different factors like, what's the management team look like? What is the backing on this coin? So you're going to go to the website, right? Check out the website, see what they have to offer, see if the coin's legit. All right. And if you're on my team, this is a great coin, you guys. I think there's a huge future in Power Ledger. I'll explain to you why after the site loads here. It's awesome. It's got a great platform, professional website, great management team. It's a very sought after coin right now. It's got a lot of hype around it. All very good things for you to make a profit. All right. And the site takes a second to load. It's in .io. So it's a little touchy. Although it normally doesn't take this long. Let me give it one more try here. I'm going to wait a second and see what happens. Great. So on the website, you want to take a look at a few different things about a coin that make it lucrative, okay? You want to look at the papers. So what are the white papers about the coin? What is this coin all about? What does this coin have to offer, right? Like this is something that's extremely important to look at to get an understanding of what is the purpose behind this coin. All right, here's a snapshot of Power Ledger right here. Let's take a look. I just downloaded an app or a document here apparently. I'm going to cancel that. So you can get a snapshot on this website. They let you see that. It's in different languages, okay? These are all indicators that this is a real coin, all right? Because it's out in different languages. The white paper is legit. If you actually look at the white paper, there's a lot of great information in there about the coin, all right? You can look at the timeline, which is crucial, you guys. Looking at when things are being released stimulates the market. It gets people excited. People are going to want to invest more when something new is coming out for the platform. Take a look here. The token generation event was in Q3 of 2017. Let's go to our date now. Q1 2018, begin distribution of growth pool. So There's some stuff going on in quarter one here you can read about. All right, and you can click on it, you can YouTube it, you can Google it. Quarter three, so you can expect jumps in the market at these times. All right, if you're holding these coins, they're going to grow in value when these things happen generally. All right, especially with a coin like this. So looking at the timeline, seeing when things are coming out, knowing when the coin's going to, take a bump up in value. Here's a good explanation of the coin. It's very cool. It deals with power and distributing power. It's very, very cool. You guys should check it out. It's awesome. So just some things to look at there. You want to also look at the team. Very important to know who is backing these coins. Research these people. Are they credible people? Are they experts in the field? And all of these people are legitimate. They're all very committed to the coin, very, very committed to the industry and to their purpose in innovating the power industry. So a great team, great partners there. So this is a great example of what a good coin looks like. All right. So we'll go back to the coin market cap. All right, so back to CoinMarketCap. So that is an example of a good coin with a fair supply. I'm into another coin as well that I'm going to show you. It's a good example. Another good example because it has a good supply. It's in demand. It's called QuantStamp, all right? And it's relatively cheap right now. Right now is a great time to buy. You can see it's at 60 cents, all right? Or, Satoshi value as well is important to look at, which is these little, this percentage here, this number, this decimal, I'm sorry. And then you can see a percent of change there. But so the market cap for this got a good market cap. It's got good volume going through it. The supply and circulating supply, look at that, all right? Just shy of 1 billion, all right? And its circulating supply is relatively close to total supply, which is another good indicator, in my opinion, of a coin. And it's very innovative. It's a very good coin. So another great example. Let's look at some bad examples. Let's look at some garbage coins, some no good coins. 90% of what you're going to see on here. Now, this coin is ranked 34, but really, guys, it's a joke. It actually was created after a dog meme. All right, you can see the supply here is ridiculous. It's 112 billion Doge. It's called Dogecoin. Low price point, but it's got an extremely high circulating supply. That's why the price point's low. It's got a very, very big market cap, though. A lot of people trade this for what's called pump and dump. So this is what's called a pump and dump coin, which means that people or whales, which are big players in the crypto game that have a lot of skin in the game, they're going to pump this coin up, bring its value up, and they're going to sell it all off. So these are very risky coins. If you know how to trade, you can get into it, but I don't suggest these coins for anybody. I always look to a coin that's got a good platform, a good management team, solid supply, solid market cap, that's going to withstand the test of time. I'm putting my money into this. I don't want to put my money into garbage coin, right? So the market's volatile enough as it is, guys. Get involved with good coins, okay? So another thing to look at is going to be just going through and checking out different coins that meet your parameters. You have to decide what your buy parameters are. What are you looking at in a coin, right? Because there's some good coins that have a high supply, all right? There's some good coins that have a very low supply. There's good coins that, are just coming out in the ICO that you can look up. All right, you're not going to find them really here on CoinMarketCap. You got to do some research on your own about that. ICO is getting it on the ground floor in a token sale. You're getting a very big discount on the coin before it goes live in the market. That's where huge gains are made with ICOs. A few cool ICOs coming out. We can talk about that in the group as well. But I mostly wanted to show you guys this website because it shows you a lot of great information about different coins. And you can learn a lot through the websites and learn a lot just by looking at this website. Look through the coins, see what's going on with the price action. Look at what's going on in the market. You can look at the charts as well. I forgot to scroll down and show you guys that. So this is what Bitcoin has looked like all time, right? That's crazy. Look at that bull run. It's gone up so high. And right now it's actually going through a little bit of a correction. You can see in the 1 year how it's going through a bit of a correction. So, that's normal. Like people said, oh, when it went down to 12,000, oh, it crashed, this and that. No, that's a healthy correction. That's the way the market's supposed to move. That's a good indicator that this is a solid, solid coin. All right, a solid asset to be investing into. Okay. So historical data, you can look at biggest gainers and losers. I like this portion a lot because it's going to tell you what coins are making big moves. All right, and all these coins have made big moves. Look at this percent of change, 1470 for Russia coin. That's crazy, you guys. Imagine 1470% gain on your investment. All right, that's ridiculous. But I'm not really looking for coins that do that. Honestly, I'm looking for coins that have more of a reasonable gain, anywhere from 50 to like 200%. And even at 200%, you're kind of pushing it. But they have gains like that, and that's great. So, that shows me it's more of probably a better coin to invest in. If it's got a ridiculous gain, it's probably a pump and dump. Okay, most likely. Then you can see the biggest losers, the coins that have been going down. But, that's okay too. When a coin goes down and it's on a dip, it's a great time to buy. The key is buy low, sell high, you guys. You always want to make a profit. Never sell for a loss, you guys. That's fear-based decision making. You want to keep your emotions out of it. You want to buy low and sell high and always make a profit. I can buy it at an all-time high, and still make a profit if I think the coin is going to continue to grow. All right. I don't recommend you buy it at all-time high, but people do. You get impatient. I've done it. And you got to hold on to it, make that profit, so whatever it takes. But I just wanted to show you guys those resources. So we have the groups, we have the training, and we have CoinMarketCap. Very good resources. You guys can also download a couple apps. One is called Reddit. All right. Reddit is very, very cool. It has great threads in there about different cryptocurrencies. Let's open it up. Why not? This is a tool that a lot more advanced crypto people use. Okay, you can see my different forums that I look into. I want to know about the news. I want to know about roadmaps. I want to know about white papers. And I want to know all about what my coins are doing. And people will be talking about this. And I'm not saying to trust what's in Reddit, okay? But there are a lot of knowledgeable people in here that have accurate information that are willing to share that in a forum. So definitely something to take into consideration. If there's a lot of hype going around a coin, you got to look into it. All right. You got to look into it because chances are it's going to get pumped up. All right. So Reddit's very cool. Download it if you don't have it. Use it. It's a great tool to research. All right. Another very good app that I think a lot of people haven't really tapped into is also Udemy, which is a courses app where you can download courses. Actually, right now, look, it says continue lecture 14, cryptocurrency trading down here at the bottom. So trading altcoins, learning about how to trade altcoins, you can download different courses. Two people I recommend are Suppleman, and I recommend this guy Ravinder Dule, I believe is how you say his name. Yeah, his name's not coming up, but whatever. That's a great resource as well to check out would be the Udemy app as well. Here's Suppleman right here, this guy. So another thing to look at as well. Great courses in here. It was only $10 for a complete trading course. I mean, it's crazy, you guys. You can learn so much. A lot of it can be done on YouTube or Google. A lot of the questions you guys ask can be YouTubed and Googled, and you can learn how to get around certain things, learning about different coins, learning how to trade, learning technical analysis, everything that goes into it. There's two main sides. There's fundamental analysis, which is learning the coin's fundamentals, which is basically what I just told you about. And then there's technical analysis where you're learning how to read trends, read charts, and that sort of thing as well. We're going to be more focused on fundamental analysis and looking at different factors behind coins. Technical TA is a little more advanced, so we'll keep it easier for a lot of you guys that are just starting out. learn about the coins, go to CoinMarketCap, go to Reddit, jump in the groups, ask questions, go to the Crypto Mob. That's a resource that I use all the time, that Crypto Mob group. You guys, there's so much valuable information in there of coins that have been profitable. All my coins have been very profitable so far. So just hold on to your coins, and always take a profit, buy low and sell high. So that's it for this training video. It was a little lengthy, you guys, but I wanted to go over those resources for you. That way you're familiar with CoinMarketCap, familiar with Reddit, Udemy, and the groups and how everything works. Be involved, be active. The more you learn, the more you earn. So thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you on the next video.